Welcome to our roundup of the best telescopes for beginners. The perfect guide if you're just starting your journey into stargazing and astronomy. Whether you're curious about the moon's craters, Jupiter's moons, Saturn's rings, or distant star clusters, a quality beginner telescope makes it easier to explore the night sky with clarity and excitement. We've handpicked telescopes that deliver solid optical performance, user-friendly design, reliable stability, and excellent value, so you can find the right starting point for your celestial adventures. We'll walk through each telescope's key features like aperture, focal length, mount type, and included accessories, so you know exactly what to expect from each model. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal telescope to kick off your stargazing journey. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Hedekin telescope for adults, a solid entry-level telescope that's ideal for beginner astronomers and casual sky watchers alike. This model typically features a reflector design with a moderate aperture that gathers enough light to make lunar craters, star clusters, and even some brighter deep sky objects visible. The included alt-azimuth mount makes it easy to point at targets in the sky. No complicated setup or alignment needed, which is perfect for first-time users. One of the strengths of the Hedekin telescope is its balance of simplicity and capability. It usually comes with a couple of eyepieces to give you different magnification options, and often includes a finder scope that helps you locate objects in the night sky with less frustration. Users appreciate how straightforward it is to assemble and adjust. Great if you're still learning how to set up and operate a telescope. While it won't rival larger, more advanced models in terms of deep space detail, the Hedekin telescope for adults provides reliable views and makes a great first step into backyard astronomy. Next up is the Tianfan 150 EQ telescope, a beginner-friendly Newtonian reflector that brings stronger light-gathering power and a slightly more advanced mount into the mix. The 150, in its name, refers to its 150 mm aperture, which lets in more light compared to smaller beginner models. That means brighter and clearer views of planets, star clusters, and even some nebulae on crisp nights. What sets this telescope apart from more basic tripods is its equatorial mount, EQ, which allows smoother tracking of celestial objects as they move across the sky. Especially helpful when you want to follow a planet or star without constantly nudging the scope. While equatorial mounts take a bit more getting used to than simple up and down mounts, they offer a more traditional astronomy experience and help to build your skill set. Users often note that once you get comfortable with the setup, the smoother motion and finer adjustments make stargazing more engaging and less fiddly. If you're ready to step up from basic beginner telescopes and want a model that grows with your skills, the Tianfan 150 EQ telescope is a strong contender. Coming in at is the Celestron StarSense telescope, a fantastic choice for beginners who want a little digital assistance in finding objects in the sky. Celestron StarSense models combine traditional optics with smartphone-guided technology, making it much easier to locate planets, stars, and deep space objects without memorizing star charts or complicated coordinates. The way it works is simple. You attach your smartphone to the telescope, launch the free StarSense app, and the phone's camera and sensors help guide you to targets in the sky. This makes it especially helpful for first-time users who might feel overwhelmed trying to track celestial objects manually. Beyond the smart guidance, the optics on a StarSense telescope deliver crisp, bright views, and the included eyepieces give you solid magnification for both lunar and planetary observation. Many users praise how accessible this model makes astronomy. In fact, it often sparks more curiosity and confidence for newcomers because you spend less time searching and more time observing. If you're the kind of beginner who wants guided sky exploration without sacrificing optical quality, the Celestron StarSense telescope is an excellent choice. The Hawko telescope for adults offers a powerful combination of substantial aperture, user-friendly design, and flexibility for both terrestrial and celestial viewing. Hawko telescopes often come with larger apertures and fully adjustable mounts that help you dial in stable, detailed views whether you're looking at the Moon, Mars, Jupiter's cloud bands, or distant objects like globular clusters. This model's sturdy mount and adjustable tripod help reduce vibration and make tracking easier, which is especially valuable when you're observing at higher magnification. With the right eyepieces, the Hawko telescope can deliver crisp views that are impressive for a beginner-oriented instrument. Users often highlight how well this telescope handles both astronomical and daytime viewing, meaning you can use it for bird watching or landscape observation on bright days too. While larger models may require a bit more setup and balancing, the Hako telescope for adults gives you room to grow and explore with confidence. A great pick if you're serious about taking your stargazing up a notch. Finally, taking the #1 spot as our top beginner telescope this year is the Celtic Bird telescope for adults. A standout choice for new astronomers who want great optics, ease of use, and strong performance in one package. The Celtic Bird model typically features a generous aperture and well-balanced mount that let you see sharp details on the Moon, clear views of planets like Saturn and Jupiter, and bright star clusters with striking clarity. What makes this telescope particularly beginner-friendly is how smoothly it transitions from unboxing to observing. The optical system often includes high-quality lenses and eyepieces that give you a range of magnification options without overwhelming complexity. The mount and tripod are stable and adjustable, helping you track celestial objects with minimal wobble, a critical part of enjoying longer stargazing sessions. Many users note how intuitive the assembly and alignment process feels, which is especially reassuring if you're brand new to telescopes or worried about complicated setup steps. Whether you're exploring lunar landscapes, tracking the movements of Jupiter's moons, or scanning star fields in the Milky Way, the Celtic Bird telescope for adults brings reliable performance and rewarding views that inspire ongoing curiosity. It hits the sweet spot of quality and accessibility, making it our top choice for beginners who want a telescope that feels capable without feeling intimidating. And that wraps up our list of the best telescopes for beginners. From the accessible Hedekin telescope for adults to the stronger optics of the Dienfon 150 EQ telescope, the guided experience of the Celestron StarSense telescope, the dependable performance of the Hako telescope for adults, to our top pick, the Celtic Bird telescope for adults, there's a perfect option here to help you explore the cosmos with confidence. Which telescope will you use to discover the night sky first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and guides. Check the description box for current deals so you can grab the best telescope for your stargazing adventures today. Thanks for watching.